area leader Bimayaji. It's I can say, so I felt very nice, delighted to hear from you my own introductions. So well done, sir. Thank you very much. So అందరుకు నమస్తే తెలుగు లిటిల్ వస్తుంది నాకు. సో దాట్స్ వై ఐ వాస్ చూసింగ్. ఏమంటా నాకు చిత్తూరు డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ ఉంది మా డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ దానికి. సో ఐ వాస్ ట్రావెలింగ్ టు చిత్తూరు డిస్ట్రిక్ట్. అక్కడ వెన్ ఐ వాస్ జస్ట్ గోయింగ్ ఐ లెర్న్ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ తెలుగు ఆల్సో. అందరికి కొంచెం కొంచెం తెలుగు నేను మాట్లాడేది ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసిండాను. సో ఐఎమ్ వెరీ
రమేష్ లక్ష్మణ్ లాగా చెప్పండి సరిపోతుంది. రమేష్ లక్ష్మణ్ లాగా చెప్పండి సరిపోతుంది.
అవునవును, సరే, థ్యాంక్స్ అండి. సో మై డియర్ లయన్స్ అండ్ లియోస్ హియర్, ఐ కెన్ సే నమస్తే. ఇట్స్ మై ప్లెజర్ అండ్ ఆనర్ టు బీ ద ప్రెజెంటర్. And of course, here, I'm very happy that as I was listening to our multiple council chairperson, your multiple is the most vibrant. Now he has put me one question, 100% service reporting is there. So now it's a challenging for me that you are the best and how you will become the most better all over the world now, I can say, and here I would really thank you very much, MCC sir. I know that is a really great feedback also, I can say. And here I would like to, like how our Bimayaji was telling that, of course, this program is something very unique. And today, everywhere, I think all over Isame, people are just sitting virtually and watching one or the other programs. So this is a great opportunity that we are all meeting, though we are at our home very safe, but virtually we are connecting to so many beyond borders, I can say here. And here I would like to say your MDGLT Ramesh Lakshman sir, a very, very, I can say superb IT guy, and, a big trainer for your district, in fact, your multiple. And my mentor, Uttam Jhaji, is here. And, it is a great privilege for us here, that we are going to have this seminar, or we are going to share, we'll discuss, and we come to know what exactly we are planning to do, like. So here I'm saying we are benefited. Many of us are benefited here. Of course, reporting is good, but always we say, no, we have to keep somewhere, our this little open, like we say, we are best. Okay, we learn again. We'll learn, unlearn, and again go back and try to be more better, more best. So that it is there. It's not that, everything is known fact, but still what happens when we meet, when we talk, when we get more knowledge by sharing. And also, we have joined Lionism for that only, in the good fellowship. So today is my topic is service reporting. Dear friends, we know we are the best NGOs in the world. Lions, we are doing a good job. And now here, since 100% reporting by MD 320, I was just going through the Lions magazine. I'm very proud to say that here all the district governors, my congratulations and compliments to all the district governors, you and the DG team, for an excellent reporting. I think this is the district governors initiative, and your leaders who have supported, and actually motivated you all to do the best of reporting. And I would just say this is all again a teamwork, my dear friends. We always say teamwork is the fuel that allows common people to attain uncommon results. Now we are all just, as a team, when we go, the Lions clubs, right from the grassroots, from the Lions clubs, districts, and the multiple, when we are all together, see, the result is there. And when you open the Lions magazine, I think how many of the Lions from MD 320, they'll be feeling so proud to see their district names, in the Lions magazine. Actually, that itself shows, that yes, we are doing a great service. So here I would also, with this few words, I would like to share the screen, and I'll just go through my presentation. So dear Lions, service reporting, why we have to go through this session and what we have to learn. Thank you. I think participants can see my screen now. Yeah. Am I audible, MD Ramesh? Everything all fine?
Yes, all fine. Going great.
Sure. Thank you very much, sir.
We are touching 100 soon, 94. Good
Sure,
work.
sir. Sure, sir. Yes. So here, what I would like to say, this program, Isame Enrich program, like Bimayaji was mentioning, it is something very unique. We all have come together. 1 second, let me just screen this a little. Yeah, that's fine. No, I think there is some. Okay, only one I would like to put this. Yeah.
We are able to see full slide.
Yes. Now I can see the full slide, sir. Yeah, thank you. Here I would just like to mention what is the importance. Like we say, service reporting 100% we are doing. Why are we doing this? First of all, our Lions Club International, we have a vision. We know we are the best organization or a community. We are doing good services. And now when we know we are doing the services, we have to somewhere put up. If I go alone somewhere out here and just take out some money and give it here and say, yes, I'm doing service, that is of no use, because when we together, when we join as Lions and in the Lions Club, when we are there, we jointly as a team together, when we go out and we do the service, that gives a lot of impact and benefit to the community and to our organization also. Here we are doing service all over the world, my dear friends, 210 countries. Why are we doing this? We are doing so much service, hunger, global causes. We have got so many things to report. And suppose we don't report, see what happens. This is what we want to do, service reporting. Not only what your club is doing, district is doing, we are just making it, bringing over all over the world. We are bringing attention. We are doing Lions. We are Lions. We are doing great job. So at least, when we are reporting, it comes like that. Now here, why we have to, LCI is getting, why we are reporting in our My LCI, because they want to know what exactly we are doing. We measure our services and we know what is the impact, what we are going to do it. Okay, next slide. Yeah. So suppose, just imagine if we would have not done this reporting. Now today, how proudly we say 320 is doing 100% reporting. So every lion, whoever is going through the Lions magazine is knowing some services happening, what reporting. And when we see the clips on the pages, that district 320, a multiple 320 is doing so many services. If suppose we would have not done this report, we wouldn't be able to know. And of course, we in the grassroots clubs and all, we are very happy that once we report the services, we give our membership links, or we give our report on membership, and we go and give all the reports. Our clubs are also very proud. They get their excellence awards, and the district governor is so proud to say that, yes, in my district, so many clubs have given the best excellence awards, multiple awards. I remember last week I was just coming to know that your MD 320, you all have given awards and rewards. A big function happened. So imagine every lion there going there and getting himself a reward for himself, for the club, or for the district, will feel so proud. So these are the things, my dear friends, if you all have not reported, means these are the things what will affect our organization also. And now here, if you report what happens, we know it's an opportunity. I have done some what I can say, some service. I would have done one service which the other club is not aware of it. So what happens, that the club, after seeing my service, they also get so much of ideas. Like we get ideas, oh, this club is doing this service, that club is doing that service, why not we also come out, we also try to do some other different type of service. We always have a vision, we have to be different in everywhere. So even service, of course, whatever our global causes are there, we are doing. But in spite of that, what we feel that, of course, by sharing what happens, we can exchange our ideas also. And now, my dear friends, you all know, to report the service reporting, we need to have an access. Who all has got the access? First of all, right from the club president, secretary, club administrator. I just put a few of them. Of course, more persons are there who can also report in My Lion. My dear friends, only My Lion we can access this. Only the president secretary can access My LCI in reporting memberships. But here, whereas every Lion can go ahead and take it in his mobile app, and you can upload the photos. So I'll run through the session later. You will come to know. Leos also can do it. The lot of Leos also nowadays, along with the parent clubs, they join and they come out. They do a joint service activity and they also report. See, we are nurturing our Leos to become better citizens by involving them in our service activities. That's how we are nurturing them also, and we are also imbibing the ideas of doing service right from the youngest level. My dear friends, I think everybody will be knowing by now. When we used to go out with our parents when we were very small, either we go to temple or we anywhere, when we see our parents used to give us some money, oh, please help. That is how we have just learned to do how to do the service. And here, club service chairpersons, guiding lions, so many of them, can report in case the club lion or club president is not able to do, or he wants help, he can go to the district DST or IT Leo. We have the global causes, 5 DCs. They also can help, even in the multiple. These are all the people who can help us and, reporting also. So now, my dear friends, till now, if I am clear, may I,
Shashiji, yeah, you have some disturbance. Okay, no problem. Go ahead.
Okay, fine. I thought there was somebody was raising the hand. So
no. Your side, there is some internet, like red color has come to me. Your internet connection is okay. No problem. Go ahead.
It's going on.
Going on. Yeah.
Anytime you please tell me. Yeah.
Sure. No problem.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Ramesh ji. So here, my dear friends, let me go back to the first slide. So we start from here. I'm just running through the session. Maybe, later on, if we want, we can go live also. My dear Lions, whoever have joined board, who have already know how to do the reporting, still, this is the basic fundamental of, reaching to the goal of our service reporting. So this is the first page when we enter www Lions Club. When we go, there's some problem in the internet, you saying. Once when we go to the My Lions Club page, www Lions Club. So what happens? This is the page we get. And here, every lion can just go and click this, and we then, we can access. When the page appears, we know here, this is the point where we have to click and go into the next page. So we open with the second page. Why I have just done this little screenshots, it just to, make you all feel that, yes, this is the way it goes on. The member login, every individual lion, we have got our own membership ID. Everybody has got membership ID, and everybody's email is registered, addresses are registered. So, once you go in and you log into it, once you log into this, you put your member login, or you can get your email ID and you can create a password and you can actually move on. See, this is the page. Once you click to that, you get this Lion account ID. If you're a first time user, you have to register and get the password. And I was told that in your multiple, Ramesh ji has taken number of classes, to, educate all the lions, how to sign in, how to log in, and, create the passcodes. Of course, every year, in every districts, we have this little initial problems. Initially, what happens when we, the year starts, somebody is not able to, log in, all this things are this normal. It happens. And once I think if you have your district team, they help you out in generating your passwords. So once you have put your password, you have entered. This is the dashboard, what we get. This is known as the dashboard. I've just shown you the dashboard where we get all the information. This dashboard is like, one khazana. It's a big, like you can say a big locker box where you click, you get every information you get. It's like a big, what I can say, this dashboard, if you start scrolling and learning, I think you will get so much of knowledge, not only about the service reporting, also about many things like LCIF, donations, learning, how to do the connect, my line, how to, and my dear friends, here I can only say that once you start using this user friendly, you are becoming more and more, tech savvy also. Maybe, as a lady or what, when I started my career in the Lions, I was an elbowed only. I didn't know. I was very scared to even come out and actually talk in front of the mic. I used to get so scared. Then slowly, as you go, you keep getting the practice, or you are taking different posts. What happens? So suddenly, you start learning many things. And this is one thing now. Abhi to zamana hai Zoom ka. You have to learn. Anybody IT, chota bacha ko dekho, a small child also will know how to go online, take classes. Everybody has got a smartphone, iPads. This is what we are also updating our knowledge also like this. We are also getting lot of knowledge. And not only that, we are also becoming tech savvy. So now during this pandemic, what has happened? We are all sitting at home, static, can't go out, can't do. But with this platform, you see, my dear Lions, how much we are learning. Actually, we are learning so many things, not only, learning how to update, but we are getting more and more knowledge also. So this My Lion and My LCI insights, all these are, again, a big, I can say, like I said, this is a big khazana. We are just, if you can go through and learn, we are becoming so much, we are getting empowered, actually, I can say, with so much of knowledge. So here, my dear friends, this is the dashboard what we get. So once we click into this My Lion, you will start. Every club presidents and secretaries, they know how to go because they have got their password. Even the normal member also, once when they click, they can actually see this what happens. So now this is the page, what the page opens. Now after once the page opens, here we have got home. Home is your club home. If you belong to a club, that club name will be there. Report past activity. Suppose we have done an activity already, tree plantation, hunger, or eye screening, vision, some activity, cancer screening, whatever we have done. So we can report the past activity. Here, my dear friends, we can also see what activities we have done, how much are we spending. See, it all depends on how we are reporting, what our club is there. So this year, if I have done it, next year the president comes. He is so happy. He need not ask what our club has done. It's like a history is there. That legacy is there. He can just go through, see what has happened and what he can get it. So now here you can also plan your future activity. First, you can always, suppose you have done some past activity you are not done, still you can report it. Nowadays, we have got the flexibility of reporting. So now here is the past activity. Here, my dear friends, whenever you open the page, whoever your name ID, it will be there. If you have opened, like suppose now I have opened the page, my name is there, Shashi Kurana. Like that, every member, whoever is there, his name will be there. So we can always report the past activity also. Hunger is there, or Teachers Day. Your club has done some activity. Whatever activity you want to report, you can just report. There is a sign is the report. You add that plus mark. And the page opens one by one. These are all, my dear friend, just screenshots I have taken out. So maybe once we run through the session, when we go live, you all can see how it starts, going around like. This is when you start reporting. See here, activity name. What is it, that activity name? You have done some activity. And what is that activity? You have to put hunger, environment, global causes, or any other, even sometimes even meetings, or you're planning some rallies. There are so many things which you can, always put it. Here, see, I have taken one of the club name, whichever club is there, the club name comes, your activity level, whatever activity you are trying to do, name of the club appears, because you are a member of some club, that club name will appear. Your multiple districts, see, you don't have to keep typing all these things. Automatically, your membership ID is there, your district ID comes, your club name comes, and your multiple district ID also comes. So that is how, you have to start, reporting the past activity and how this can be generated. And my dear friends, it's not difficult. Once you start scrolling it, once you start applying you put your password and start scrolling, automatically these pages will lead you. See, you become more and more extra smart by just going through and reporting. So now I'm going to the next page here, activity details, how it is, because I know what happened as a governor. I had this problem when some clubs, they just did randomly some project and they reported the dollars and all were in so many lakhs, because the calculation went wrong. They didn't know what to report. So, what happens? These are the things, when slowly you start reporting in detail, you come to know whether the activity we are doing is for a single day or 2-3 days, like we go for a hunger every day, or 365 days, or a weekly we have some projects. Whatever service project you're doing, diabetes, you are having 1 day screening. Okay, 1 day you're going and testing so many patients. You're having this a program, or you have arranged for in some small hospital or in some center. Or suppose if you're going to an environment project for 2-3 days continuously planting trees and saplings there, so that you can take multiple day. It's only based on your calculation, your club. We always say it's your club, your reporting. We can't say that you have to report for the entire other clubs at district. Your own club, when you see this, you start reporting what exactly your club is doing and what are the causes you are doing. Is it a signature activity? I think if every club has got a signature activity or a permanent activity, I'm sure, like how your MCC was saying, membership retention will be 100%. My dear friends, this service itself takes you, I'll tell you, if you do a good service and you involve all the members and do service, there is an excellent retention in the district and multiple. So my dear friends, here, see, this is all, like you are just filling all the columns and you're just dropping down. Your options are there. You can take options, any option, whatever reporting you are doing. Here I was just telling you what happened last time was, the people, they just went, some 10 people they served. They didn't know how many hours to calculate, and how to calculate the volunteer hours and funds. Here there was a big chaos in reporting. Sometimes it must be happening here, since your district also is very smart. I can say 100% when you're doing such a good I can say reporting. Of course, all these parameters you are all have checked. But still, what happens when 10 people go? You can mention 10 people. Even non-lions also you can mention. There are some volunteers. All the lions, they volunteer. Maybe, some people just come and go, and some volunteers stay there. And, the number of people you're serving, hunger, like you are having 10 people going there as volunteer, but you are serving 100 to 200 people there. So, all this has to be calculated. Volunteer hours, like for lunch, if you're going 12 to 2 or, 11 to 1, whatever hours you are giving, that is a calculation. You have to do it. So maybe, these all helps in a good image building of your club. And, or in the Lions India magazine, it comes. Not only that, when you scroll down the WW Lions Club, service, it will be scrolling there, So it's you feel pride whenever you see your own photo, your club photo, or maybe your person, somebody, there. You feel so, oh my God, my photo is there. Our club is there. We have done something very nice, unique project, some different projects, some different reporting we have done, so that, what happens, you also feel happy. And other clubs who are watching this, they also can see few of them, and they'll say, oh, this is an activity, a separate, different activity, which we could also, think of planning. You start giving ideas, better ideas, good ideas, brighter ideas to other clubs also. So my dear Lions, this is how, this is the impact, I can say. This is the most important fact about service reporting. It gives a good impact. Not only that, members are there, you take all the members together, you take them for the activities. I am saying you this because, it's maybe my personal experience also as a district governor. When I was a district governor, when I went around, attending so many service projects, used to feel so proud that, so many people, we Lions, we are touching their lives, in so many ways. Maybe diabetics, or, cancer screenings, or, there are so many global causes, whatever we are doing, environment, vision screening, and we have so many good permanent projects, hospitals, wherein, we can always, I think, when we go for eye screening for the school children, and also for the we also go for the, schools, colleges, doing so many services, any amount of service, any type of service. There are so many types of services which we are doing, and let us at least project that, let our club, report that to the international, so that international also comes to know that so and so club and so district has done so much, matrix. That's what we say, matrix. We come to know through the matrix how much exactly your multiple has done, total amount of services. And this gives a good feeling to all the leaders also, in fact, I feel, because they feel, they have really touched, and they have, given this great knowledge to all the lions. So here I was just mentioning about one of the activities, like, here even LCIF grants what we give. I heard that, I was just going through the Lions magazine, even your campaign 100, I think yours, I think your area leader was mentioning that day, one of your lion has contributed excellent for the LCIF, ambassador award he got. He has done so much, donations towards the LCIF. So we are so proud. See, services that when we are in distress, we get so much of money from the LCIF also. We apply for the grants, we get grants. We have got so many type of grants also now, for diabetes, for hunger. You can take these grants, utilize, and you can do more and more service. I think you can do more and more service by taking these grants also. And you are really touching the society, community, and the needy many, many more times. So here I've just shown you, after filling up the columns, like, how we get this, like diabetes program, what we have done. People served, 72 people, volunteers, there were 5 volunteers. How many hours? Like 15. This is just a calculation type, what we are just sharing with you. And here, see, we say, what is the project we did. It's one of the club's just project I have just showing you all, because I thought, I'll just show you all how this funds, we generate, and how we get the donations, what we are doing, how we are calculating. See, we may be good, but of course somewhere somebody, even one of the lion who doesn't know how to do, maybe he sees this, he can learn, he can get more knowledge. This is what we say when we come for a leadership training. Sometimes we say numbers count. Of course numbers count, but when we say whoever is present, and Shiddat say, if they see this program, they'll say, okay, we have done our best, let us learn more and more. And here, once we do, nowadays we have got smartphones and photos. We know this. I think this GAT success story also was there from last year, and this year also there's a GAT success stories are there. All the district governors are promoting that every club should have a GAT success story. Here, see, you are here also. You can put your story, your activity, what you have done, the photo. You can upload the photo. Gallery is there, wherein if this is like it's always there. Anytime you can go and see photos, and you can share this with your club members. Actually, every member, we need not send a WhatsApp message. If they are all together, they can see this, what activity and what photos are there. How to upload the image. These photos in the direct from mobile we can do, through email we can do. Once we enter to our LCI My Lion site, you can start uploading. See, this upload image is there. Nowadays it's very easy. You can just directly click with your mobiles also and start, you can select the image and you can upload it. Like there are so many photos are there. Which is the best photo you can take, and you can upload from your own post, WhatsApp gallery, wherever you have stored your photos. Here I see this, when you upload the image, directly the image goes in this form. And once image is selected, you have to say save image. You have to save the image. I'm just showing you one sample of 2 pictures. In this sample, I just want to make you all aware 2 things in this. One is that, everybody is wearing, you see in one of the photos, lion's jacket, yellow jacket. Once you wear the yellow jacket and you perform one service, it gives a meaning for the club also, for us also, for the community also. We see that, yes, these people have worn, they are lions, they're all together, they have come, they are serving something for the society. And this banner is very important, because you feel proud when you're uploading your picture from your club. You need your club banner, and you need your own people, doing the activities. And here also I'm just showing you, it is so important to have the nowadays COVID COVID is there, pandemic is there. You see here, every member we are advising to be safe, wear mask. Why we are doing? I just put these two photos as a sample because I know nowadays all the lions, when we go out, we just try for our photo's sake, we want to remove our, masks and do. But please, my dear lions, let us all follow strictly the rules. Let us wear the mask also. And, let us continue wearing the mask and keep ourselves safe and to the society, and this is one of the diabetic program, what I was just showing you all. This club has got a signature activity. Every week they have this diabetic program, and genuinely all the patients will be standing there. They know it is, this is a signature activity, we have to come, and they start, coming. So like this, my dear friends, this is very important that you have this type of also one activity where, every week, you have a brand image of your club, that this club is doing this signature activity, always it is there going on. So, and once you upload the photos, it shows this option appears. Yes, it is submitted. It is okay. And the report has been done. You have to save all this. These are the procedures. Suppose you upload the photo and you don't say okay. That means the photo is just there lying. It would have not joined to the collection. So these few steps are very important for us to follow. And these are the tools and resources. My dear friends, like I said, this is a big khazana, our WW Lions Club. When we go into our website, you start, even any member for that matter, he can do his LLC training, or he wants to know anything about reporting. So these are the references, tools are available. Any tool you get it, why we have to do, what is the impact, how we have to measure or access officer permissions, anything you want to know, you just click on to these, any one of these, the whole page opens. Actually, when the whole page opens, you get the matter, you start thinking how to, what exactly are the steps, how to do. And I think with this more and more knowledge of browsing, you get the knowledge of browsing also like this, I feel, what happens is that, yes, once you start using user-friendly laptops, or even in smartphones also you can do. So, this is how, the reporting improves. Once you start, going to these pages, you start to, really read more and more knowledge. You get more and more masala out of it, okay, what best we can do. We are the best, we are 100%, nothing can be best. Let us not take it like that. I know if we are 100% best, okay, let us differently learn how to report and in which ways we can report. So maybe with all these things, my dear friends, if anything is there, you just let me know. And of course, you're here, I can say thank you, because I feel, when this this actually, I can say, when the service reporting was given to 320, I was so confused, because once they are doing so well, you still need to be too good to explain what exactly has to be done. So anyway, I thought, whatever slides I've done. So now I would like to find out, how many of you all would like me to, if there is time permits, like I will take you all run through the live session. So maybe if you have put in the chat box, I can see if you chat, if it is there, sorry. Okay. Okay, let me just come back. Okay, since my presentation is over, back to meeting. Yeah, like this. Where is this back to meeting?
You can ask them questions if any, since you have another 9 minutes to go.
Yeah. So, dear Lions, that way I've just taken you all through it. So now if anybody feels, you all want to go live, or maybe if your district has already done, or you would like to go quickly, we can always actually go live also, and, show you all in case if, how to go and put the number. But I don't know how much the internet will support us, if any questions are there, please come out, because, if anything else you want to know regarding reporting or service or any other idea or something, I'm open to it. If there is anything in the chat box, if anybody is there, I'm able to see the chat also. If anybody is, because I can see few messages are there. That was okay.
Did you prepare any poll questions, Ramesh?
No, sir. Because I thought if there is time, I can, share screen. I can go live and show them how to get into the thing. Maybe my mentor would suggest me if anything, if I have to.
Okay, let me ask Uttam Jhaji.
Yes, please.
Yeah,
Actually, there are a few
any last
questions
words of wisdom
for
from
you,
you?
Sashiji.
Hanji.
And one is, I think all are equally important, but there is a question for you that how to calculate the man hour. That is one question for you. And another question is that is quite, let's say that common thing for everyone, for us. They reported 36 activities, but only 29 was recorded on dashboard. So what is the reason behind it? That is the second question for you. I think these two are most important.
Your answer to the question,
Please.
please.
Sir, first of all, I would like to say, if they have reported so many activities, I don't think so that there is any cutout is there in reporting. Maybe, sometimes I feel, the reporting my LCI, sometimes 1 or 2 days it doesn't take, but after you retry, it does happen. Because sometimes this problem has come uploading, sometimes it's too much, photos of bigger size or something has happened. It does happen. But after 1 or 2 days, they can report, I think, no? So that is one question, sir. And you asked me something else.
Yeah, about the calculating the man
calculation of
hours.
man hours.
Calculation is the timing, sir. You like I said, no, from 11 to 12 or 11 to 1, the 3 hours, whatever you are giving for the activity, multiplied by the
Number of volunteers.
persons. How many persons are there? That is how it has to be calculated. If 10 persons are there for 3 hours, so 10 into 3, 30 hours we
Yeah.
take the time. Because each person is giving 3 hours, sir.
Yeah.
So am I right,
Yeah.
sir?
Yeah, in that particular case, may I also make clarification that that is actually the given hours, not the backlog calculation of maybe you had several time meetings and other kind of things. That is not calculated, but actually on the ground that
Yeah.
is calculated.
Correct, yes. And that is the number of people present there. Volunteers means we lions. That's it. So any other thing?
Uttam Jhaji, any last words of wisdom from you, sir?
Yes, I am very much satisfied with the presentation of Sashiji. I found very dynamic. Thank you so much. And you did very well. And I hope that that is definitely she helped the Lions who joined today's program. And I hope that you have also understood the importance of service reporting. And as we go back to our Isame service reporting scenario, still we are a little bit behind of others. So we need to increase this rate of reporting from each club after completing each service activities, and that has impact and consequences, as Sashiji already shared. And I would like to thank you very much, everybody, and giving this opportunity to join with you people. I am Lion Uttamja, LCIP, currently serving as second vice district governor, and from multiple districts to 5 Nepal. Thank you so much. Good night and
thank you, Uttam Jhaji.
Dhanyavad.
Thank you,
Sir,
Shashi
only
Khurana
one,
ji.
Bimaya sir, only one question I would like to read here. I just saw in the chat box. Lion Uday Reddy has mentioned signature activity. We should do it at the same place only, or can we do anywhere? This is the question. Signature means, it should be a fixed activity in a fixed place, I feel, because if you are having it in a fixed place.
We can say in other way also, Shashiji. Signature activity means one particular activity being taken up, one club every year they do or every month they do. That is called signature activity.
Yes, and he is asking about the place, sir. It should be done in the same place. And of course, I was just mentioning that one of our clubs has got a place where every week they have the diabetes screening in that place only. So it is better like in one place means there's a very good image building for the club, and the community is you are known in the community.
That is true, but sometimes
Yeah.
We conduct in different villages, different towns, but the same activity.
Same activity.
That also can be done.
That also can be done. I just saw this one of this. So anyway, thank you, my dear Lions, for your support. And, I should thank my mentor also, and Bimayaji, and our MCC is still there. I'm glad he's there. Thank you, sir. And thank you, Lions, for giving me this.
Our MCC is a committed man. He will be there for entire session.
Oh, I can make out, sir. Thank you so much.
Governors also like that. Thank you very much. We are on the top of the world with 100% reporting, ma'am.
Yes, sir. That is why it was little more problem for me.
No, it's not like that. There
it's are not so like a problem,
there are so many people who want to learn
more. Yes, correct.
See, a club cannot depend upon one person for the whole thing.
True, sir.
Every year there must be coming, new leaders should come, new people should learn.
Sure,
so
sir.
Thank you very much, Shashi Khurana ji. That was a fantastic presentation, a mind-blowing one rather. It's really wonderful to have you with our multiple district 320. I am sure that every one of us, every one of the attendees have benefited with your presentation. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, your mentor Uttam Jaji. Thank you very much. It's nice talking to you.
Thank you.
Having with us today's evening. Thank you. Then I would like to present the second presenter, Dr. Manoj Salpekar ji. Dr. Manoj Salpekar is a GLT coordinator of District 3234 H1. He joined Lionism 31 years back, and he held with various posts, initiated various reformatory programs as PDG Talk Rubaru, RLLI Eco, leadership video cliplets, lead with care, rescheduling subjects of trainings, etc. It's a reformist. Rather, he is a innovative person. He always thinks of new things. That means, am I right, Manojji?
Whatever you say is right.
Fond of creating something new and innovating something new.
Yeah.
And creating something new and showing the way to others in a novel way. Motivational corporate trainer and psychometric assessor, a student's career counselor by profession, honored by the President Pratibha Patil, past President Pratibha Patil, Sri Ji, Guruji PIP, late Ashok Mehta ji, and Sanjay Khaitan ji from Nepal, singer, writer, program designer, anchor, and involved in socio-cultural projects. This is what biodata is saying about the Salpekar ji. It's my proud privilege, and with great respect for Manoj Salpekar ji, I would like to present to you this evening Manoj Salpekar, and he will be taking the session on member satisfaction. The next 40 minutes is your floor, Salpekar ji.
Thank you.
And I'm sorry, I'm very, very happy to have Monica Sawant ji,
Yes.
who is a mentor to Manoj Salpekar ji. Hello, Monica ji. It's nice to have you this evening with us. Welcome to MD320. Thank you. Manoj Salpekar ji, the floor is yours, sir. Next 40 minutes.
Yeah. So very good evening, one and all. Honorable Ramesh ji, am I audible there?
Yeah.
Yeah. So सभी को तहे दिल से प्रणाम करता हूँ, सभी का यहाँ पर स्वागत करता हूँ, और first of all I go down to my mentor Monica ji. She is a wonderful lady, she is a wonderful mentor, and I have done so many trainings, and I have got so many years of experience. But yes, she is a lady who has motivated me in her own way without telling me anything, and that is really something to learn. Well, Ramesh ji, sharing screen. Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. So friends, we'll start with membership. This membership satisfaction is a subject which is of utmost importance as of date. When we talk of satisfaction, there is definitely no worry. I mean, if you are satisfied, you are not worried. But if you are worried, you don't have satisfaction. अगर आप में आपके पास समाधान है किसी चीज का तो आपको तकलीफ नहीं है. But when we are discussing on membership satisfaction, it ultimately tells that there is some problem with the organization that we have to talk on membership satisfaction. Had it been there, why? There was no need at all to discuss on that subject. And that is why we are here to discuss on membership satisfaction. Now, if any problem in life comes, अगर जीवन में कोई समस्या आती है तो कहते हैं लोग कि बहुत शांति से उसका मार्ग निकाले, बहुत शांति से उसका उत्तर ढूंढे. Take it easy, don't get nervous, don't get tension. Take it easy, एकदम आसानी से हर काम करें तो आप उसके निर्णय पर पहुंच सकते हैं, रिजल्ट पर पहुंच सकते हैं. But taking it easy, that means when we take it easy, we become little bit careless, isn't it? हम हिंदी में अगर बात करें तो हम बेपरवाह हो जाते हैं. We become careless. What we want to become is carefree. That is लापरवाह, not बेपरवाह. We want to become carefree by taking such steps that the satisfaction persists. हमारे साथ वो समाधान चलता रहे. And that is why I think that take it easy is something wrong which we are talking about, and we should make it easy. हम अगर उस चीज को सही बना लेते हैं, अगर हम सही रास्ते पर चल निकलते हैं, तो वो सारी जितनी समस्याएं, all the problems what we are having which are leading to dissatisfaction will be able to complete. So friends, you must have seen a film called Chak De India. You know, Shah Rukh Khan was there, and there was a very famous dialogue in that film, wo 70 minute. And those 70 minutes of the play, he urges to all the teammates, all the members of the team, that he wants 100% concentration of 70 minutes of their lives in that particular man. And I therefore request you, wo 40 minute, ye 40 minute, these 40 minutes, I want your attention to this subject, because this is not a subject to be trained. This is a subject to be understood. This is the point where each and everybody of us, in the beginning, when PDG Ramesh was asking how many years you are in Lionism, I found the maximum members present over here are above 5 years of their membership. So 5 years experience you all have. We are not new to this Lionism. Some or the other way, we are a little bit satisfied, we can say. Now let us move ahead and let us try to understand who is responsible for member satisfaction. Tell me, who is responsible? The member who is joining the organization, is he responsible to be satisfied in the organization? Well, when we talk of satisfaction, that is a vague term. बहुत ही विस्तृत इस प्रकार की वो भूमिका होती है. और satisfaction इस term के बारे में अगर हम बात करने की कोशिश करें तो we will not come to a fixed definition of what satisfaction is. In fact, a human being is never satisfied. There was a king, एक बहुत बड़ा राजा था, उसके दरबार में कोई भी आता था तो he used to donate lot of money, lot of things to whoever beggar, whoever comes to his courtyard. A beggar, a fakir came to his darbar, and he talked to him lot many things, and he was trying to go away, and the Raja said that it is something very unusual that the beggar, the fakir, is not asking for anything. कुछ भी मांग नहीं रहा है, ये कैसा हो सकता है? So fakir said, Raja, my one condition is that if you want to give me anything, my pot should be filled. If you cannot fill my pot, I will not take anything. Raja laughed at him and said, what this foolish question is, what he is a fool. My treasure is full of jewels, jewelry, gems, currency, money, food. Whatever I want, I can donate. And this small pot he is having and he is saying it should be filled. How foolish he is. He asked his servants to bring something, jewels, food, money, and fill his pot. Now the fun was that when his people started filling his pot, the pot ultimately after filling looked empty. So the king was very much surprised. He was puzzled. He said, and it took a long time for his servants to bring something or the other and put into his pot, but the pot again looked empty. Raja was totally exhausted, and he bow down to the fakir and falling at his feet, he said, Fakir Maharaj, मुझे ये बताइए कि ऐसा हुआ कैसे कि मेरे खजाने की इतनी सारी चीजें मैं आपके इस भिक्षा पात्र में डाल रहा हूं और ये भिक्षा पात्र है कि भरता ही नहीं। हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल? ये क्या जादू है, ये क्या चमत्कार है? द फकीर सेज देयर इज नो चमत्कार, देयर इज नथिंग वंडर इन दिस, दिस भिक्षा पात्र इज मेड अप ऑफ ह्यूमन स्कल। मैं यहां से आ रहा था रास्ते से, तो मुझे रास्ते में एक कब्रिस्तान दिखा, एंड नियर दैट ग्रेवयार्ड आई फाउंड अ ह्यूमन स्कल। मैंने उस खोपड़ी को उठा लिया और उसके ऊपर कपड़ा बांध दिया। अब ये मेरा भिक्षा पात्र है। सिंस दिस भिक्षा पात्र, दिस pot is made up of human skull, it will never be satisfied, because human being, that is the nature of human being, he is never satisfied. Now if this is the fact, what kind of satisfaction we are talking about? किस तरह के समाधान की हम बात कर रहे हैं और किसके समाधान की हम बात कर रहे हैं? समाधानी वो आदमी नहीं है जो कल हमारे साथ जुड़ा है, समाधानी हम हैं जो आज कम से कम 10 साल के ऊपर, 20 साल, 30 साल, 40 साल, 50 years we are member of this Lionism. So we have not left the organization, we have not left the home, we are in the family. That means we are somewhere or the other satisfied, and the responsibility of satisfaction of the new members lies with us, not with those who are joining today. New members, we have to, you see, we have to train them, we have to tell them, and we have to make them understand. We have to make them satisfied by the way we have been satisfied. So that is our responsibility. Now, isn't satisfaction of member, is that right? Now, if you say what kind of satisfaction you are talking about, yaar, we are here for service. हम तो यहाँ सेवा करने आए हैं, किस satisfaction की बात आप कर रहे हैं? और human mind तो कभी satisfy होता ही नहीं. Why should we talk of satisfaction? Friends, the basic thing is everybody has a right to be satisfied, you know, but the right has some limitations. When we talk of a social organization, there is a very, very fine lining between the point of satisfaction and point of gating. Now, satisfaction is something where you are, you know, since so many years we are in the organization, इतने सालों से हम किसी ना किसी तरह से अपने आप को योग्य पा रहे हैं कि हम इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, इस संस्था से जुड़े रहें. But the right of being satisfied has a limit. एक बहुत छोटा सा रास्ता था, a very narrow lane was there. एक छोटी सी सकरी गली जैसे होती ना, वैसी एक गली थी. And a lady was passing through that very narrow lane. Hardly one person can pass through that. Now the lady was having an umbrella with her in her hand, and she was revolving that umbrella and moving in that lane. A man was coming from the opposite direction. Now he saw that lady having umbrella and she is revolving. How can he pass? How can, that was a very narrow lane. बहुत ही छोटी सकरी गली. So he said, "Ma'am, why you are revolving that umbrella? It is not possible for me to cross, isn't it? Because since it was a very narrow lane." The lady replied, "It is my right. ये मेरा अधिकार है कि मैं रास्ते पर चलते समय छाता घुमाऊं ना घुमाऊं, ये मेरा अधिकार है. It's my right." The person replied to the lady, "Madam, your rights end where your duty starts." हमारे अधिकार वहां समाप्त हो जाते हैं जहां हमारे कर्तव्य शुरू होते हैं. That is the point we have to understand. We are here in the organization since so many years. Do we understand real meaning of what is the meaning of rights we are having? We have got all the rights, but they end where our duty starts. And our duty at this point is to make new members satisfied. Without that, our duty will not be over. Should members mind the satisfaction of self the most? When you talk of mind, how will you mind your satisfaction? See, Kalidas was a big poet. Everybody knows about Kalidas. और कालिदास एक बार राजा के दरबार में गया, and Kalidas was there, and Raja said कि you are so clever, you are so brilliant, but I don't accept. I will accept only this if you tell me 10 things which are unstable. ऐसी 10 चीजें जो अस्थिर हैं, they are not stable, and every thing what you are talking about should start from the Hindi alphabet M, the M, the alphabet of English. म शब्द से शुरू होने वाले 10 शब्द होने चाहिए जो अस्थिर हैं, they are not stable. And Kalidas within no time replied Ma madhupo megho madhyapo markato maruto makshiko matkuto matsyamana. These 10 things are unstable in the world. Now what are these 10 things? When we talk of Ma, it is not mother, it is Ma. Ma is Lakshmi Ma, that is money. Money is Chanchala, that is always unstable. He talks of Madhupo. Madhupo is the honeybee. Honeybee is always unstable. Megho, Badal, kahin ek jagah rukte nahi, hamesha घूमते रहते हैं. यहाँ से वहाँ कभी भी चले जाएंगे. Madhyapo is a very familiar term to all of us if we understand. Madhyapi, yes, the Madhyapi, once the hanger is there, when he is a drunken person, he never, walks straight. कभी भी सीधा नहीं चलता. He is unstable. You talk of Markato, Bandar. मन चंचल होता है बंदर की तरह, लंगूर की तरह. मरकट इज नेवर स्टेबल. मरुतो इज हवा. हवा कभी एक जगह नहीं रुकी नहीं रहती, हमेशा चलती रहती है. मक्षी को मक्खी, घर में रहने वाली मक्खी. मत्कुणो यानी मच्छर, और मत्स्य यानी मछली. ये सारी चीजें अनस्टेबल है, कभी भी एक जगह रुकती नहीं. और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग एट द लास्ट व्हाट ही अटर्ड वाज मनः. आदमी का मन, द माइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन इज नेवर स्टेबल. यू विल थिंक ऑफ दिस थिंग टुडे, you will think of that thing today. Today a person you will like the most, tomorrow you will say अरे यार ये तो बेकार आदमी. Every time the person, the things, the condition, the situation remains the same. That is our mind which tells us that this has been changed, that this is not the way I was thinking about, because my mind is not stable. The basic thing, what we want to train to our new members, what we want to tell them is your deep rooted, the root of the plant, the root of the plant makes the plant stable. जब तक किसी वृक्ष की जड़ें गहरी नहीं होंगी, जितना the biggest tree you can say, the taller is the tree, the deeper is its roots. जितनी गहरी आपकी जड़ें जाएंगी, उतना गहरा वृक्ष फलेगा, फूलेगा. So it is our responsibility to make the roots of the new members deep inside the soil of Lions Club. Now come on, let us see why people join the organization at all. आते क्यों हैं भाई? To serve the community. Many people think that they want to serve the community. They have the feeling they want to serve the community, to get involved in specific service area. In last few years, last 2 years, if we talk about, many people, though they didn't join the organization, but they joined hands with Lions Club in serving people who are affected by a pandemic. Specific area they wanted to join. Some of them joined the organization because they came to know that organization is serving in a specific area. To enjoy company of friends. My friends, I am here. I invite a lot of my friends because I think they are fit in this organization and we will have a good company. So they join, they follow family members. If I am the member, someday I invite my wife, my family members, my son, my daughter-in-law. Everybody comes and joins and we family with other family members or the other members. So that becomes an extended family. So that is the beauty of the Lionism. To find and avail commercial opportunities. Yes. To find and avail commercial opportunities, people join the organization. कि भाई मेरे धंधे का कुछ फायदा होगा, मेरा PR बढ़ेगा, लोगों से पहचान होगी. What is wrong in that? Absolutely nothing is wrong in that, provided we go with the ethics of Lionism to learn and prove leadership. There are people in this society, they have reached to such a position that they are known to the world, but they are not confident. They find themselves lacking in leadership. They are succeeding in their business, but ये किसी और जो उनके साथ में काम करने वाले लोग हैं, उनके भरोसे उन्हें कभी ऐसा लगता है कि यार I am somewhat somewhere lacking, and they think that I have to learn the confidence, I have to gain the confidence, I have to learn the leadership, and this is the place, this is the Lions Club which is known to develop leadership. तो वो उसके लिए join करते हैं. So that is well. This may be one of the reasons people are joining the organization, to be socially recognized. हमारी समाज में पहचान बनाने के लिए लोग आते हैं. हम, if I am connected to Lions Club, My identity will be more than merely Dr. Manoj Salpekar. Yes, I'll be there, but Lion Dr. Manoj Salpekar is known globally, known socially, and you know, the name itself, when it adds Lion into it, the recognition goes along with it, something very important. तो किसी दूसरे का नाम देखने के बाद किसी को लगता है चलो हम भी इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को ज्वाइन करें. So this is all when the last point comes is to satisfy the urge of someone. Now this is the point which is very closely connected to dissatisfaction. What happens? We invite members. हमको बोला जाता है कि membership बढ़ानी है. आप भी करते हैं, हम भी करते हैं. Everybody calls, everybody invites people to the organization कि चलो भाई आ जाओ, हमारा organization बहुत अच्छा है. And now I cannot deny the person who is calling me. I have to join. I don't have any interest. I don't understand what Lionism is. But since my near dear friend is telling me and he is urging me, तुमको तो आना ही पड़ता है भाई. So I have to join. These kind of people are very detrimental as far as the point of satisfaction is concerned. These kind of people we have to take much care of. Now, when the people join the organization, what are their expectations? What they expect once they join? What they could be meeting new people. Yes, if somebody joins the organization, he wants to meet new people. What is wrong in that? It's wonderful. Involving in good company. You know, some new person comes in Lionism and meets me, meets Bhimaya sir, meets Ramesh ji, good people. He understands, yaar, yes, अच्छे लोग हैं, इनके साथ में हमें रहना चाहिए, इनके साथ में हमें बात करना चाहिए, पहचान बढ़ाना चाहिए, family relations होने चाहिए. So meeting and being involved in good company, that is always is expectation of the person who comes. Ability to promote service globally. There are many people who want to promote their service activities globally. High, big thinking, dream high. They have not a smaller targets. Their targets are very big. पूरी दुनिया में हमारा नाम. Lions Club is international organization. I have heard that Lions Club is international organization. I want to serve globally. So my expectation is when I have joined the organization, छोटी मोटी बात नहीं करना है यार, हम तो बड़ी बात करेंगे. So many people expect something like this. Some are the people who want ease and opportunity to serve locally. छोटे-छोटे intentions होते हैं, छोटे-छोटे लक्ष्य होते हैं उनके. They want, because they see what is happening around. They themselves can help. They themselves can extend their services. But if they are united under the roof of Lions Club, they think that their expectation is that they can serve the society better than they serve alone. And that is a fact. The expectation is not at all wrong. To acquire professional growth, हम यहाँ पर आए हैं तो हमें हमारा व्यावसायिक उत्थान, हमारी ग्रोथ, हमारी बढ़ोतरी होनी बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि हमें इतने अच्छे लोग यहाँ सोसाइटी के मिल रहे हैं. We are getting potential, cream of the society here, and expecting growth of self or your own business is not at all a crime. So the expectation is acquiring professional growth. The next is personal and social development. हर आदमी अपनी व्यक्तिगत उत्थान के लिए for self growth. Many people, they join the organization, they don't know how to speak. Their communication skills are very poor. But at the end of the day, after 5 years, they come through so many training programs, getting some posts there where they have to speak out. And one fine day, the person who was just having problems in standing over a stage, now he is a good speaker. He can speak for 5 minutes without any problem. So that is this personal development one is expecting, and that is something very good if we can give to the persons who are expecting it. The next is spending quality time with friends and enjoying friendship and fellowship. That is the expectation of some people, those who come in the organization to enjoy. See, life में बहुत सारी तकलीफें हैं, व्यवसाय में बहुत सारी भागदौड़ है, और इतना हम काम करके थक जाते हैं कि कहीं एक ऐसी जगह हमें होनी चाहिए. We want some place where we are relaxed. We are with good people. We are spending our quality time. We are just relaxing. And that is the expectation of many of the people who join the organization. Now, why people join the organization and what are their expectations? There may be something more than this, but these are some average, these are some points we have with our experience and our knowledge about Lionism and what we have observed people in the Lionism. So they have tried to gather these points. Now, if we say we have to restore, we have to construct a good image of Lionism, we have to do something good, we have to create something good. And if we, the older members, we, the senior members, tell a Lion members to correct the organization, it is not fair. It is our duty to bring up the corrected image, the finer image. 104 years back, this organization was started. Do you think that the practices what we are following today is same as those they were 104 years back? No, we have to adopt the change. And when our basic is that our basic has not been changed, but the practices have been changed. The way it has to be implemented, because the need of the hour has been changed. Now the picture which we have created has to be corrected. There was a painter who drawn a very beautiful picture. एक बहुत अच्छा चित्र उसने बनाया, art gallery में लगा दिया, and there was written a beautiful line under that this is a picture having some defects, some faults. I request all the viewers to correct, point out and correct the mistakes in the picture. अब ये चित्र जो हम देख रहे हैं, इस चित्र को लगा दिया गया, जो आया वो उसने अपने तरीके से गलतियां निकाली और अपने तरीके से पॉइंट आउट करते गया और गलतियों को मार्क करते गया. At the end of the day, the picture was something like this. Now, the intention is to correct the picture, correct the faults in the picture, and if you ask them to point out and correct, this will happen. The second day, the same picture, the artist kept the same picture in the art gallery, and this time what he has written, whatever fault you find, you please draw the corrected picture. You please correct it and draw it, the particular point. Everybody came and just saw it and just went away. The picture was as it is. वो पिक्चर कभी खराब हुआ ही नहीं, क्योंकि हर आदमी गलतियां बराबर ढूंढ सकता है, गलतियों को सुधारा कैसे जाएगा ये बताना हर एक के बस की बात नहीं होती. और हम ये किससे एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं? नए लोगों से. हम जो इतने सालों से यहाँ पर इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में हैं, इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की पिक्चर को अगर कहीं खराब किया है तो हमने खराब किया है, तो सुधारने की जिम्मेदारी भी हमारी है. एंड दैट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी वी शुड टेक. That I urge when we talk of satisfaction of this. And if we do that, we will be satisfied. You know, Rotary International is an organization where this 4-way test you must have seen. 4-way test. वो 4 ऐसी चीजें बताते हैं कि you test yourself in the 4-way. Now, if I go in the same way, I think why to follow Rotary? Let us have this our way test. हमारे तरीके से हम टेस्ट करते हैं. Now, what the way we can test is, are we focusing on I, then on we? क्या हम सबको साथ लेके चलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं या सिर्फ हमारी बात कर रहे हैं? Are we focusing on I? This I has arrived because of the grooming leadership. You know, that ego point has somewhere fixed. ये ego कहाँ से आया है? I don't say that each and every person, each and every member in the organization is like this. But when we talk why people leave us, that somewhere or the other, we is everybody, not particular somebody. We are concerned with I. We are somewhere lacking in focusing on we. So what is leadership ultimately? See, leadership qualities, you can write leadership qualities, good orator, good teamwork, good understanding. These are good qualities of, these are the qualities of good leader. But being a good leader, basically, according to me, is a good human being first. पहले आप अच्छे आदमी तो बनिए. If you are a good human being, then develop your qualities. Your aptitudes have to be there of a good person. Then you develop all the attitudes and all the qualities of what the leadership requires. So if you are not a good person and you are getting trained to be a leader, and if you are becoming leader, you will definitely focus on I. You will not focus on I. So having that quality, to build that quality of leadership, we have to create, we have to find, we have to develop good persons. If we are not, we have to learn how it can be. You know, when we talk of बीइंग गुड पीपल, जब हम बात करते हैं कि हम अच्छा काम करेंगे, हम अच्छे लोगों के साथ रहेंगे, हम अच्छा बनेंगे, आर वी कनेक्टेड फॉर्मली और सेंटिमेंटली? हम सिर्फ दिखावे के लिए फॉर्मल बस फोटोज निकालने हैं, भाई वी हैव डन 1000 activities in this year. How you have done 1000 activities? One is we have donated hunger. Hunger is a cause. World cause we are trying hunger. You, how many people you have fed? We have fed 300 people. Oh, great. हमने 300 आदमियों को एक एक केला दे दिया. हंगर, हमने हमारा हंगर प्रोजेक्ट ले लिया. 1 banana per person for 300 people. Do you mean that is really something sentimental activity? Are you connected with those people who are really hungry? That is just a formality. That just for capturing a picture and reporting. That has created a bad image in the people who are joining with sentiments. We have to get connected with the sentiments of the person who are here in the organization, and those who are serving, we are serving to the people, their sentiments we have to understand. What we think that Lions Club is the biggest social organization. If that punchline is there, so we are the persons who are serving better than each and everyone in the world. Absolutely wrong. I met a lady in a bus. I was traveling. एक बस से मैं सफर कर रहा था, लोकल सिटी बस से. एक लेडी जो रास्ते में ईंटें उठाने का काम करती है, लेबर, she was a lady. And I just saw, I was sitting in a बस की एक सीट पे बैठा था. मेरे सामने की सीट पर वो बैठी. A lady, she was aged lady came. तो ये जो ईंट उठाने वाली औरत थी, ये खड़ी हो गई उस aged lady को. She asked her to sit. After some 2 or 3 stops, the aged lady got down. The lady got the seat, but then he saw an old man coming, and she offered her seat to the old man. After 2 stops, the old man got down. Then she tried to sit there. फिर एक औरत आई, she was pregnant. So this lady again stood up and offered her seat to the pregnant lady. Till the last stop, I was there and surprised by behavior of that lady, that she is a labor, she is getting a seat and she is not sitting there and offering the seat to all others. मैंने उससे कहा कि भाई आपने वो जगह आपको मिलने के बाद आप दूसरों को क्यों दे रही हैं, आप क्यों नहीं बैठ रही? The reply she gave me was the way of life which I learned, and I tried to inculcate the things in Lionism by that reply. The lady said कि बाबूजी मैं बहुत गरीब औरत हूँ, मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है कि मैं अपने पैसा देकर लोगों की सेवा करूं. फिर मैं सेवा करती कैसे हूं? मेरे दिल में है सेवा का जज्बा, मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैं लोगों के लिए कुछ करूं, तो मैं कभी रास्ते का पत्थर हटा देती हूं, कभी किसी को बैठने के लिए जगह दे देती हूं, कभी कोई छांव में आने की कोशिश करे तो उसे झाड़ दिखा देती हूं. ये जो छोटी छोटी चीजें सेवा की मुझसे संभव है वो कर लेती हूँ, मुझे जिंदगी का सुख मिल जाता है. I want nothing more than this. Friends, this is what the sentimental services. You connect with the sentiments of the people, and then you will find that the people who are leaving you, who are going out of your organization, they will connect themselves with the sentiments. They will understand कि नहीं, ये जो लोग काम कर रहे हैं, ये दिल से काम कर रहे हैं. That is the point where we have to understand. Are we working ethically? Now, this ethics is a big topic. We can have so many sessions on ethics and morals. But when we talk of ethics, basic meaning of ethics is the release of oxytocin. You understand, there are many happiness hormones in our body. When we say that we are happy, it is not just a physical thing, it is a biochemical thing, which is something happening inside our body. So one of the hormones is oxytocin. जब वो release होता है तो हम बहुत ज्यादा खुश होते हैं. And this oxytocin is released when we help somebody. When we do something out of our comfort, that releases the oxytocin. And mind well, this ethical behavior is contagious. आप अगर अच्छा काम लोगों के साथ कर रहे हैं तो ये देखकर लोग प्रभावित होते हैं. They get affected with this, they get impressed with it, and they also try to follow. Just imagine if you are standing on a road, you find an old person is coming, he is unable to cross the road. Just take his hand in yours and just make him cross a road, even if you are so much busy. Just do it. A person standing on the other side of the road will definitely see to this and will feel that why this person would have helped him, what he is getting for this. That is his ethical practice. Lionism has got lot many ethical things.
You have 5 minutes.
Are we ready with those ethics? Right? That we have to check. The positive attitude we were talking about. The positive attitude is important. हम अगर किसी भी चीज को accept कर लेते हैं, when we accept the things, we have everything positive with us. Now the plan which I call USP, that is undisputed satisfaction plan, is productive meetings. हमारी जो सभाएं होती हैं, हमारी जो meetings होती हैं, उनका समय हमने ध्यान में रखना चाहिए, उनकी जगह हमने ध्यान में रखनी चाहिए, उसका एजेंडा हमने ध्यान में रखना चाहिए. They should not be unproductive meeting. Good club culture. बहुत सारे क्लब्स का कल्चर ही अपने आप में बदल गया होता है. The people join the clubs, they find that the culture of this club is not good. Least members problems. बहुत सारे members जो होते हैं ना, it's a big topic. We can go with the type of members we have. हिंदी फिल्म्स के नाम पे अगर आप देखेंगे ना, one member is उत्तर दक्षिण. If one person is saying उत्तर, the other always opposes. हमेशा उसके दक्षिण में ही बात करेगा. ऐसे दो लोग क्लब में कभी आपको मिलेंगे. मेरी आवाज सुनो एक मेंबर होता है, he always says कि जो मैं बोलूंगा वो आपको सुनना है, मेरी आवाज सुनो. One is मैं चुप रहूंगी, he will always keep quiet. He will just observe what is going on. One member is चलती का नाम गाड़ी, चलने दो यार, जो हो रहा है देखा जाएगा, चलने दो, कुछ बोलने का नहीं. Some is मुगाम्बो खुश हुआ, whatever you do, मुगाम्बो खुश हुआ, yeah, very happy. Some is Albert Pinto को गुस्सा क्यों आता है? He is always angry. Whatever you do, he is always angry because he is Albert Pinto. One is 20 साल बाद. After 20 years, what I am finding, हमारे जमाने में तो क्या था, हमने तो ऐसा किया. You did it. 100% we agree to this. लेकिन आज के जमाने में जो है उसको भी तो आपको एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ेगा. कुछ होते हैं भला मानुस होता है जो कि बड़ा अच्छा आदमी होता है. कोई होता है मैं हूं ना, everything, he is there to help you. So these kind of members, you have to accept all the members and you have to go with that. Overcoming personal issues. किसी को पैसे का प्रॉब्लम होता है, किसी को ऐसा लगता है कि हमने ज्वाइन तो कर लिया, but the fees is something very high, so he leaves the organization. Somebody thinks that the people here are talking of something else than service, so service satisfaction he is not getting. They are just picking up photographs and all. So we are not happy with that and they are leaving. Now friends, very shortly I will tell you a program which I am as a reformatory practice have started, Midas, that this mission Midas is the mission member satisfaction. That is membership orientation program you have to take. You have to train each and every member what exactly Lions Club is. Involvement of member in the club. After training, you have to make each and every person involved in activities and administration. Development in personal skills. उसे हमें उसके पर्सनल स्किल्स को बढ़ाने के लिए जितनी मदद हम कर सकते हैं करनी है. एक्टिवनेस असेसमेंट 1 साल 2 साल में हाउ मच एक्टिव ही इज, आर वी असेसिंग हिम, नहीं आ रहा है तो छोड़ दिया, डोंट डू दैट. We have to assess after training and after educating him. We have to assess his training and satisfaction status. 2 साल के बाद आप उसको पूछिए, when he is totally involved, he will be totally satisfied and the mission satisfaction will come to yes, it will be accomplished and you will be happy to see that you have accomplished it. Friends, in the end, I just wanted to tell you one short story and to sum up my presentation and my topic, that we are in slumber. हम एक नींद में हैं और हम सपने की दुनिया में हैं कि we are the biggest organization in the world. We are 13.5 million, not crossing that. उससे कम हो जाते हैं. लोग आ रहे हैं, we are bringing new members, but since we are just imagining, we are just in the dreams. एक पार्क में छोटे से बच्चों की the picnic of the school went in a zoo. एक zoo में छोटे छोटे बच्चे, kindergarten के बच्चे थे, and the picnic went in a zoo. And the zoo, the teacher showed a lion, एक tiger दिखा दिया जो केज में बंधा हुआ रहता है. तो वो सब बच्चे देखकर हाँ टाइगर, हाँ शेर है. Then the teacher says कि imagine कि अगर ये शेर उनके केज से निकलकर बाहर आ गया और आपको खाने के लिए दौड़ा, आप क्या करेंगे? Now the little children, they started thinking, सोचने लगे कि क्या करेंगे. तो एक बच्चा बोला कि मैम, अगर वो शेर मेरे पीछे दौड़ेगा तो मैं इतना जोर से दौड़ूंगा कि वो शेर मुझको पकड़ ना पाए. Very small kid, obviously he answered. The second one said कि if the tiger comes to me, he was bold. If the tiger comes to me, मैं उसको एक लात मारूंगा और उसको भगा दूंगा. The third was obedient, listen to the teacher. He said कि अगर वो शेयर मेरे पास आएगा तो मैं टीचर से उसकी कंप्लेंट करूंगी, टीचर will punish the tiger. See, the child psychology is very obvious, but one child was there, a small girl was there. She answered, "Madam, I will get up from the sleep." अगर मैं नींद में हूं और शेर मुझे खाने के लिए आया तो मैं नींद से जाग जाऊंगी, तो शेर मुझे खाने का सवाल ही नहीं आता। अगर मैं कोई सपना देख रहा हूं, अगर मैं कोई इमेजिन कर रहा हूं, I have to come to the reality. I have to come to the real grounds, and I have to accept the things. Friends, membership satisfaction is something which is within us, which is around us. It is not to be learned, it is to be understood, and it is to be practiced. That is what a short message I have to give. I am very much thankful to my mentor, Monica Savanji. She told me, she taught me, she explained to me each and everything without saying any word, and her appreciation worked a lot for me. I am thankful to the coordinator team of MD320, Bhimaiya ji, who is really 2 days back when I talked to him, I was so impressed that I felt inviting him to my district, and I did so. Thank you very much, sir, for everything you did. Our Honorable Multiple Council Chairperson Srinivas ji, Dr. Srinivas, Ramesh Lakshmanan ji, who is taking care of all the technicalities, and all the listeners who have the patient listening to whatever I talk to you. Friends, it is all from my side. Thank you very much. And I promise here to MD320 right now that I will be revolving around all the time for whatever you need, whenever you need, I'll be there. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Manoj Salpekar ji. Our audience are immersed, actually, in fact, and everybody was appreciating. You can see from the chat box.
Yeah.
And I should say that your presentation is mind-blowing, and that was a fantastic presentation.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
And I should tell you that you are a storyteller. You are a very good storyteller. 5-6 stories you have narrated to explain about member satisfaction. That was fantastic, especially the labor woman when you're traveling with the bus, that she taught us how to serve. Even without money also we can serve. Only thing is you should have that will to do some service. So right, that should be, that we have to learn the things. I hope understand that everyone present here in this session must have a lot of satisfaction. But take away from this presentation is lot.
Sir, if I can interrupt you, shall we have the impression of my mentor too, Monica ji?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sure. Monica ji, you are welcome to our program. And last word of any wisdom, you are welcome. You unmute yourself. You have to unmute. Yeah.
No, it again got muted. It again got muted, Monica. You are mute, Monica.
अब बीच में अनम्यूट हो गए तो फिर म्यूट हो गए.
Ramesh, okay, yeah.
Yeah, you are co-host.
Yeah. Thanks, Bhimaiya Jagni ji, for giving me this opportunity to speak a few words and convey my views on the presentation by Dr. Manoj Salpekar. Manoj ji, as conveyed to you at the just 1 hour prior call before this session, that I'm confident that you are really going to do a great presentation. Just seeing the slides and the inputs made and great idea, gave me an idea and insight of what thoughts you have. And has conveyed that you are a person who reads people's psychology. You really went through a great depth study of reading the psychology of what really Lions require to become a great member or to be associated to this organization for a long time. You have very well inscripted the whole session into a very jovial way, but very knowledgeful way, where really people will understand that what is the necessity to see that a member who joins this organization stays for longer period, is been associated for lifelong to this association by a very natural and I can say a very simple way. The best part was, as Bhimaya sir said, that you connected every point of the session with a story which connects to the heart of the people.
Yes.
You have won the hearts of people as well as me too today.
So nice.
And
nice.
I'm really happy that you really are going to make an imprint over here and make these people of 320 see that they can really satisfy the members in a great way. And this session, wherever anyone goes through it or anyone checks it on YouTube, is really going to be, I can say, impressed by the way you conveyed it. It was a very simple language. Your body language was coinciding with the talks that were happening, the confidence in you. And yes, at last, as I said, you rocked the whole session. The members of 320 are really blessed today to have you as a presenter. And with this presentation, I can assure that they'll be having great satisfaction of members, and at least particularly to the new members joining the organization, really a space will be created where they can see that they can accommodate them in a proper way, satisfy them in a way where their connectivity with the organization will be for a long period. And I can say the slides also were very simple, to the point, and very informative and narrative. In just one nutshell, I can say, in a chota bomb of 40 minutes, as you said, you're going to mark a difference. You really marked a difference, and it will really put a great impact on all the members viewing this on even YouTube live, which is going through the multiple district 320. So once again, my congratulations to you. And yes, the trust that I had on you has really made strong impact on the multiple today. Great presentation. And thanks for, I should say that I'm blessed to be the mentor of you. No. And I'm really happy that you made me feel proud for you. Thank you.
Not exactly.
Thank you, Monica ji.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Manoj ji.
Yes.
Ramesh, we can take up some questions.
Sure. Yes, sir. Before that, as you were asking me that, are we going with the poll? So as usual, when the presenters started doing the presentation, when the presenters have done, I have created the poll questions based on the session. Make it easy, take it easy to Medas. So let us see that how good active listeners of our MD320. My dear participants, I am just launching the poll questions. Only three questions on both the sessions. Quickly answer it. So meanwhile, we will be going with other formalities. And I request you to see that you are filling the feedback form, which is already put in the chat box. That's also very important for the organizer to see that how best we are performing. The presenters already placed. I have placed it twice.
So chat box.
Yeah, please copy that and your place. If you are not able to do it now, you can do it later also. But see that tomorrow by morning itself you are completing it. So now I'm launching the poll question. So now I'm launching the poll question.
I was seeing the chat box, lot of appreciations for Manoj Salpekar. Every fourth sentence you spoke Hindi, but we never felt that you spoke in Hindi. That was the magic. But most of the people in Telangana, they understand Hindi also.
Yeah. Bhimaya sir, I can say he really made the Midas touch today.
My goodness.
The word Midas, what he used, he has really marked and made the Midas touch today by his presentation.
Yeah.
Monica ji, keep me alive. Don't speak more.
It's really
नहीं गुरु को शिष्य के बारे में बात करने का एक अच्छा मौका मिला.
Very true.
Yeah, I am blessed by her.
So I launched the poll question, sir. I request the participants, attendees, please answer it.
Yeah.
First, for the service activity, who can't report the service activity? PST, district GST, service chairperson, family member.
Second question is what data
is not required to register for MyLine? Mobile number, club number, email ID, name. How many photos can be uploaded? 5, 2, 10 or unlimited? I request quickly. Members, yeah, good, fast filling. So we have maybe another 1-2 minutes you can give. 42 seconds left. I hope that presenter Shashi Kurana ji is available to take up the result. Yeah, another minute to go. Only 44% have answered. At least we have to see that 60% active listeners should be there in MD320. We wish, because we have people who have conducted larger number of, the virtual program since the pandemic started.
Sorry, I'm just back, sir.
Yeah, okay, no problem. I've just launched a question.
Yes.
Based on your presentation, he prepared some poll question.
Yes, sir.
You can see on your screen, service reporting.
Maybe another 12 seconds, I'll be closing it, then it comes to that.
Question number 1 is, who can't report service activity? PST, district GST, service chairperson, family member.
Family member.
Yeah, the second.
What? No, don't give the answer. What data is not required to register for MyLine? Let them answer, then you just give your answer.
Okay.
Options I am telling them.
She's giving answer.
Because I just jumped in from the
Yeah. It's okay, no issue.
Yeah.
What data is not required to register for MyLine? Mobile number, club number, email ID.
Can we stop it? Yeah, I'm just end the poll.
Shashi had some other session of Enrich also.
How many photos?
I'm just sharing the result. Shashi ji, you can just say. 34 members have, I think, answered correct for the first question, right? You can just go ahead. Yeah. Second question. You can able to see the question?
Who can't report service activity? Yes.
So 34 people have answered right. So which means good active listeners are more. 77% are active listeners in MD320. What data is not required to register for MyLine? This is correct. Which one is correct?
What data is not required?
Yeah, I twisted the question.
For MyLine.
So this also based on your presentation only. There is a slide over there in your presentation.
Yeah, what data is not required to register for MyLine? Yes, sir. Mobile number is not required. Club number should be there.
No. Club number only not required. Mobile number, email ID is required.
Mobile number, that is for MyLine through mobile. Yes, sir. Actually,
MyLine, it's
MyLine, sir. Sorry. Yes.
Yeah, it's okay, no problem. How many photos can be uploaded in MyLine? I've asked a question. 5 to 10, unlimited.
I'm not able to see the screen, sir. That's why I'm just...
Yeah, I'm just saying the question. You are not able to see the screen?
No.
How many photos can be uploaded? 5, 2, 10 or unlimited? Option A 5, option B is 2, option C is 10, option D is unlimited. So most of the people have given only 2. Is it right? How many photos for the service activity?
Shashi ji, how many photos can we upload?
You can upload unlimited. So that is the answer. Anyway.
Yes, sir. Now I'm coming back. Sorry.
It's okay. No problem. I just stopped it.
Yeah,
now let us go to the, the member satisfaction. Take it easy to make it easy. Wonderful. Yeah. Now, who is responsible for member satisfaction? This was the very first question he has thrown, right? Member himself. I'm just launching. Yeah. Who is responsible for member satisfaction? My dear friends, participants, just let us see how active you were. Member himself, club president, sponsor, can't say. Who is responsible for member satisfaction? Manoj was telling in the very first slide. What is USP according to the presenter? I know some USP. So he has given today some USP. Unique selling proposition or unique sales point or undisputed satisfaction plan or none of the above. Which one is right? Members, are you all answering?
Correct.
The our way test, more I than we, connected formally, ethical working, positive attitude, none of the above. We'll have another 1 minute, sir. We'll close it.
Yeah.
Then we'll go for the vote of thanks. Maybe just another 10 minutes. We'll find out. Three more minutes is there. The scheduled time, 10 o'clock. $20 seconds to go. Only 17 to 32 members or 37 members have participated. 38, 40, 41. Yeah, 42. Come on, while taking dinner also you can answer.
Sometime I'll call back. I'm in a session still. Yeah, I'll call you back.
44, 63 people have voted. Okay.
Sorry.
I'm just ending that result. 45.
It bad alva namge. Monica sound.
Yeah. Manojji, over to you.
Yeah, most of the people have understood, I suppose,
Okay.
The gist of their presentation, because as I said,
Yeah, that's what.
It is not.
That's what.
It is to be understood.
Yeah. Obviously.
So they are through.
33 people have given a right answer for the second one. Of course, third one, it is not none of the above. The answer was wrong. It's all of the above.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All of
Those
the
are
above.
tricky
Okay.
questions.
So I was just, as our sir was telling, who is my mentor.
We have to confuse the people, no?
So that they will remember and they will go immediately YouTube and they can download it and do the things. Okay. Sir, can we take any questions, sir, from the members?
Yeah, of course. If you have
Bimya,
time.
sir? Bimya, sir, we can take 1 minute a question.
Yeah. 1 or 2 questions you can take it up, no problem.
Yeah. I'm just unmuting, friends. You are all of you. Please unmute yourself and answer. And only questions pertain to the session, not anything else. The session is very good. Yeah. No appreciations.
Only
Yeah.
questions.
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Subhaji.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, Subhaji, tell me.
Subhaji. I am Subhash, President, LC Hanamkonda, 320F.
Can take 1 minute a question.
Sir, regarding uploading of the activities, service activities,
All of you, please.
of course, we are uploading the service activities. But what about administrative activities, sir? Where to add in this service activities?
No, it is only
my
service,
line, in my
no
line.
administrative.
Good evening, sir.
It is only a service activity reporting. It's not an administrative reporting. Administrative reporting is by LCI.
Oh, we have to feed it. We have to upload in my LCI.
My LCI members వచ్చిండ్రు పోయిండ్రు కొత్త మెంబర్లు వచ్చిండ్రు
Those things will come in my LCI.
అదంతా అడ్మినిస్ట్రేషన్ లో వస్తది అదంతా మై ఎల్సిఐ లో చేయాలి మై లైన్ లో ఓన్లీ సర్వీస్
అంటే సార్ ఇప్పుడు ఈ మీటింగ్స్ ఇప్పుడు మల్టిపుల్ అటెండ్ అయినాం తర్వాత డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ 320
అవన్నీ చేయకూడదండి అవన్నీ అదంతా పోయింది వెనకటికే పోయింది పాత ఎంఎం రిపోర్ట్స్ లే పోయినాయి
ఇప్పుడు అవన్నీ అప్లోడ్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదా సార్
లేదు
మీరు ట్రైనింగ్ అటెండ్ అయినది యువర్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ అండ్ మల్టిపుల్ వి విల్ బి రిపోర్టింగ్ ఆన్ బిహాఫ్ ఆఫ్ యూ హావ్ అటెండెడ్ యాస్ ఎ ట్రైనీ మీరు ఒకవేళ ఫ్యాకల్టీకి వెళ్తున్నారంటే మేమే అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాం అవి
ఇక్కడ
మీ రికార్డ్ లో ఉండిపోతాయి అన్నమాట
డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ కోఆర్డినేటర్స్ మల్టిపుల్ కోఆర్డినేటర్స్ రిపోర్ట్స్ అప్లోడ్ చేస్తారండి అవన్నీ
Can I ask one question?
Yeah, just
జర్నలి సాబ్
Sir, there is a ceiling of limit of reporting activities per day.
Is there any limit? Rishi Kurana is a question for you. Is there any limit reporting of number of activities per day?
No, sir, there is no limit. As many, whatever you are doing, you can keep reporting, sir.
But sir, my launch is not accepting more than 3,000 activities per day.
3,000 per day. That is
Normally clubs are doing reporting at the end of the month. Being a GST coordinator, I am facing this problem from my clubs.
So what that means is the entire 29 days he is not reporting. He is reporting on 30th day about all the 29 days.
with a single login, let me just say, sir, with a single login, it will not allow beyond 3,000. See, because as a district GST, he is trying to log in for the clubs and do that reporting. This will not accept it. Yeah. He is district GST coordinator.
I thought for a single club, I got so scared.
District
He is authorized, but he has a limit. He
Limit,
too has
yes.
a limit, sir. He too has a limit.
Yeah. आपको
Administrative
समझ में आया
activities,
सुरेश
sir, they
जगनानी
are
जी?
not under-
समझ में आ गया सर।
हाँ, आप जब डिस्ट्रिक्ट जीएस की कोऑर्डिनेटर लॉगिन होता तो उसके लिए लिमिट है 3000 एक्टिविटीज पर डे।
सर पूरा इतना क्लब्स का आप थोड़ा थोड़ा करके अपलोड कर सकते हैं ना सर, सब एक साथ
नहीं, मैडम मैं